I'm a big lover of noodles, so it's not surprising that one of my guilty pleasures is pan-fried chow mein, also known as mi sao yang. To start off with, you'll make the sauce, which consists of fish sauce, low sodium soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, black pepper, Shaoxing wine, and sesame oil. Give this a mix and then set it aside. I love the versatility of this dish. Today I'm using fried tofu. However, you can use shrimp, pork, chicken, beef, or just vegetables. The options are really up to you. Anytime I fry tofu, I always like to pat it dry with a paper towel. That way there's not water splashing everywhere. And then cut your tofu into bite-sized pieces. And in a fryer, heat your oil to 380 degrees and fry your tofu until it's a nice golden brown color. I actually seasoned my tofu with salt and pepper. However, when you're doing other proteins, you can use a few tablespoons of the sauce that you made and then marinate the protein that way. I love this egg noodle brand and I use it for almost any dish that calls for egg noodles. So you want to grab a large plate so that you can form your chow mein so that you can pan fry them. In a large skillet on medium-high heat, heat your oil so it's nice and hot, and you can do that by testing with a few strands of chow mein. And make sure you do not overfill your skillet, meaning you only fill the oil halfway or less, and then pan fry your chow mein on both sides until it's nice and crispy. It's very easy to burn the chow mein, so you want to keep a close eye on it. It shouldn't take long. Prepare your aromatics by slicing your onion and then chopping your garlic and chopping your shallots. I use 6 cups of vegetables, and it could be a medley of any vegetables that you love. Today I'm using carrots along with straw mushrooms. I love my straw mushrooms. And broccoli and sugar snap peas because it gives it a nice crunch to the dish. In a large wok, heat your oil and then add your aromatics and cook it for a minute or so. And then add your protein. So today I'm doing a vegan version for all my vegan friends. So I'm adding my fried tofu and mix it together with the aromatics. Pour vegetable broth or chicken broth and then bring it to a boil. And once it starts boiling, then do your thickener, which in this case is potato starch and water. And then add your vegetables. And you don't need to cook your vegetables for that long, as you don't want to overcook them. So I say cook them for around 5 minutes or so. And then pour the sauce that you made. Give it a nice toss. Cook it for another minute or so. And then pour it on your pan-fried chow mein. So this recipe, there will be 2 plates of pan-fried chow mein. Drizzle some sauce over it and enjoy. And you can hear the crunchiness in every bite.